Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to extract files without WinRAR or 7-zip on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. So as you can see here guys, I'm on my Windows 11 PC and I have a file on my desktop here. It's a zip file. So to extract this, we just need to right click on the file and here you'll find extract all. Simple click on that, then click on extract and you will see that immediately the file is extracted or the folder is extracted and it's open, and you can see that it makes an open folder here on the desktop. It will even open it right after it is extracted, and so you're able to access and open the file and see what's there and to run. Even if it's an application that is there, you're able to double click and run that application. As you can see, if I double click that, it will just pop up on my PC and it's gonna give me the option to install. So it's working guys, and that's it. You don't need WinRAR, you don't need 7-zip, and this is how you can extract any file folder on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC without WinRAR or 7-zip. Very easy and very simple.